Hi guys, it's Jam. Welcome to my channel and welcome to another desk makeover. This is how my previous desk looked like, and I'm so grateful that you guys loved this makeover as well as my craft. And now join me as I virtual shop in IKEA to buy a new table.
Don't usually cry at all, but wow, is it always close, ranging from a movie scene to made of people in my dreams. The last time, if I recall,
tonight I feel so cold by looking at you in 29:4. I hear your voice by ears, and I still can't believe I did see you in faraway place. You write your words and pour it to me in my weeks out. Your paper's filled with emotions of you, and so you let me know the age of 4 you got. Without pals, I can only hope you'll stick with them. With all the love you receive and sparklings around you, still near you, and all the moments you can't pass through will leave you with beautiful light. When I can finally see you so
but forever, noticing everything, like the hair on the wall, food on the office table from last week. Parties are gone, weekends are ruined, can't even handle myself. It's been going too long, more than a nuisance. What has it done to the world? Is everything a dream? I don't know what this means. Time has been slow, it seems. Cover your face while we blame the 19. So many different scenes, growing from what I've seen. Everything's one